Hello guys and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing limited edition BOSE QUIETCOMFORT 35-2. So let's get going, guys. So right now it's in plastic. Let's cut away some of this plastics here. All right. So now you get this nice little box that you could slide it out of. And here's the presentation itself by BOSE. So we're gonna pull this off. Wow, that's actually really cool. And then you get this really thin layer of foam here. And then a limited edition headset appears. Box is the same color as the headset itself. So anyways, guys, you could see that it's a limited edition on the actual box itself. Now, this is called I think triple midline or something. It does not say anywhere in the box, but I believe that's actually what it's called. So when you open it up, the BOSE are laying in there like that. Guys, only the BOSE fold up in such a way. So we have a 2.5 millimeter jack and 3.5, I believe. Now guys, this wire does feel very high quality. It is pretty long. It's about 3 foot long, I believe. And you could clearly see there's a thicker portion and there's a smaller type of portion over here. Here are some of the features you can expect from BOSE QUIETCOMFORT 35-2s. Noise cancelling headphones with premium sound, wire-free, world-class noise cancellation, noise rejection, mic array for clear calls, and you can unlock more features after you download BOSE Connect app. It is definitely optimized for Amazon Alexa and for Google Assistant. It has 20 hours of battery life per charge, 40 hours if you're wired. And then you could actually unfold them like so. Guys, I must say, these things feel really nice in the hand. They feel really comfortable. Wow, guys, this is amazing. This is heaven in my ears. Wow. I mean, just to put them on and work, I'm comfortable. Now guys, something I noticed. The actual ear cups is the same color as the actual device. And same thing goes for the top, same thing for the bottom. It's all the same color. Now, what do we have here? Here's a Bluetooth on button. And we have... Right, so right over here we have a button. It has 3 options: noise cancelling off, low, and high. I'll have to get used to all these buttons where they're at. So, okay, I see something interesting here. The buttons I actually see where they at. So when you have it in the back here, you could actually use to control it. You can actually feel them with your thumbs. So that is a really good design. Okay, here's what I did, guys. As soon as I flipped the switch to Bluetooth, it actually said battery at 70%. It says download the BOSE Connect app in order to connect this headset. So we're gonna need to connect the BOSE headset app in order for me to try that. Now, here's something I'm gonna try to do a little bit differently than some other channels, because I am shooting this on my iPhone, and in order to record Bluetooth sound, you need a special app. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys haven't heard of this app yet, but I'm gonna download it right now and I'll probably start recording from then on, and you could see the difference with Bluetooth on and Bluetooth off. So anyways, guys, I got the BOSE connected, and I'm really not sure if it's better to record with the Bluetooth or without the Bluetooth on. This is a special app. This is a pro video recorder, and it allows me to actually use Bluetooth for sound on my iPhone. Now, I could hear myself when I'm recording. There's kind of like some playback and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, the app that I was using, it's a Movie Pro type of app. It allows you to record Bluetooth. And the reason you would actually want to use an app like that on your iPhone is for videos that you're going to be like far away and you could still hear yourself. And I'm actually going to show you what I mean by that. Guys, this is right now recording through my regular type of iPhone type of microphone. And as I'm going to be stepping away, the sound is going to be decreasing dramatically. Let's see if I can open up the blinds. I'm not sure if it's going to be like loud. But anyways, if I'm going to put these BOSE Quiet Comfort headset on, you can probably hear the sound is going to be constant. Now the Bluetooth is connected, but don't think this is like BOSE headset type of noise canceling, because I think it removes all these features. It just leaves that feature of Bluetooth itself, because I think the software that works between a headset and a phone, it helps with that noise canceling thing. I think for recording videos, it's a little bit different because it's really not designed for that, especially for the phones. I have used a special app. But anyways, watch me step away and keep talking. It's going to be all the same. And I'm actually going to prove it to you. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to go outside. And I'm actually going to step out here. And let's actually close the door. So I'm over here basically enjoying the view of the ocean, which it is kind of rainy day today. So we're going to step right in and close this up. So you could clearly see that the sound stays together, which is quite awesome, because when I'm making videos, a lot of times I need to step away, and I would hope that the quietness of a Bluetooth would also be there to help me, but it's not accepted to do so, you know. But if I'm like in the yard or something, working, fixing something, I mean, I don't know if I'm going to be wearing my headset. Let me see, I'm gonna pull this off. Man, it's so much louder when I pull these things off, because they do make a quiet comfort. So when I'm speaking, I could hear myself a little bit. There's a little reverberation going on, just a little bit, because I could hear myself, and I could hear myself talking inside of the ears. Now, if I'm like in a yard working or something, like fixing the car, I mean, I don't know if I'm going to be wearing this awesome headset. I'm probably going to be doing something else, because I'm going to have like dirty hands, and I would like touch something. But if I am giving an interview or something, and I need to step away, to walk up to somebody as I'm talking to somebody or whatever, I suppose this would be just fine, because if I would go to this person or that person, or just walk away a little bit, or let's say I have a camera inside of my vehicle somewhere, and I'm walking up to, let's say, people on the street, and I'm like doing the different interviews, I'm asking something, which I may end up doing that at some point, I could actually have the video and sound too, and you would probably never know that I'm actually using these things to record sound, which you can use any type of Bluetooth sound as long as it's good sound. Like I could use my iPhone headset, for instance. I'm actually going to give that a try as well, probably like one of my other videos, to try to use Bluetooth in order to record it with the phone. It's a useful type of feature. So can you hear the echoing, guys? When it comes to recording with an iPhone, it's a little bit better, or it's a little bit worse. I personally think that recording with the Bluetooth, especially like this high quality microphones that's built into this BOSE, it definitely improves the quality a lot. Especially if I would be out and about, let's say in an open field where there's no rooms or corners or anything for sound to bounce off of. That means it would also be dampening the quality of my sound if I'll be talking. because there's nothing to keep the sound in. It's just going out there. This would help have nicely even sound using that type of app and some kind of high quality Bluetooth headset in order to actually get your point across, where the sound would be perfect. Now, it would be interesting to test this in an environment where there's cars passing through. Like, is it going to be picking up car sounds as well? I mean, I really hope it would somehow cancel them out. Maybe I still need to play with my actually Movie Pro app in order to see if there's noise canceling to be used somehow. But for now, I just see that it's a Bluetooth option, or there's an option with just using regular iPhone type of speakers. So I hope you guys like this little unboxing and, a couple of my tests. I'm pretty sure you did not see these type of tests, before. You've probably seen some cooler ones, but I gave you something that you probably did not think was out there. I'm pretty sure, especially for people that use their smartphones, like iPhones and stuff. Like, how can I use a Bluetooth in order to record sound? Because, iPhones, they don't have a headphone jack, which means you'll have to think of other ways. You'll need to plug something in, but then you got dangly wires. This has no wires. You could step away and I could be talking to you over here, somewhere. But I actually personally like this headset myself, because I could hear the quality of sound. It's a studio type of quality. Now, I am getting all these other sounds as well, kind of like the large diaphragms microphones, which is kind of awesome at the same time because it provides a little bit better quality. Especially, I'm in the room and I could hear myself. There's a lot of echoing going on in here. Like when I'm talking, none of these walls are insulated and stuff like that, so there's a lot of echoing. So I'm not sure if it cleans it up a little bit, but let's see what it sounds like with the regular microphone. And there's a bunch of settings and stuff. There's a lot of settings for, Movie Pros. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. God bless you, and see you in my next video.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.